Hey there. Welcome to your daily dose of elephant wisdom for February 4th, 2022. Yesterday we hit a few Bitcoin levels to watch. Today we're going smaller and checking out Telcoin. It's a smaller remittance coin, but one I like as it is attempting to get squared away regulations-wise before product rollout, which is kind of refreshing in the crypto world. We'll also take a quick look at three others we've had our eye on. The Sandbox, Phantom, and Near Protocol. If you enjoy Elephant Wisdom, we'd love for you to like, subscribe, and share our content with members of your own herd. We appreciate it. Let's take a look at the daily Telcoin chart here. Currently, we are down. We can see here at the 0.006 cent level. We had this low of the 0.0522902 on January 22nd. And we can see this channel, which stretches back here to, the beginning of March, its initial run-up, which showed some pretty good, levels of resistance and support. So we're kind of back in there, unfortunately. For this, I've also left my indicators on just so you can sort of see the big picture. It's just a cascade, right, since May of dropping, a little bit of hold and support here on the indicators, and then dropping, cascading back down again. So right now, the only question is not if it's going up or down. It's obviously going down. It's just where that bottom is. So that's what we're waiting for. We're going to see if this holds. This is around the 0.055 level, which is the bottom of that previous channel. And if that doesn't hold, we're probably back to early 21. And then we can see we're 0.004 cent, 0.002 cents. So we're going to be back, possibly in that zone. So we shall see. Hopefully this will hold. But you can see how heavy this looks below the indicators. But that's where we are until today. And again, everything pretty much runs off Bitcoin, of course. So the overall crypto market as a whole. But hoping that holds. In the meantime, as far as decisions to make, this would be when you would think about dollar cost averaging in. Not financial advice, of course, but if you had a certain money you would want to invest, maybe put a smaller percentage in it. You would think about doing it around these conditions. Not a bad return on your investment. Hopefully. But again, everything's down, so we're kind of knife catching here at the moment. We'll see if that holds. I wanted to go through these next three coins fairly quickly just to show some price similarities in how they're behaving. And we're going to start first off with the Sandbox. Sandbox, it's a virtual world gaming coin. It's had some nice momentum as of late. And I'm going to show you these three just with the elephant trident indicators on, because they're one of the few coins here that are actually in our correct order. So when we look at these indicators, and again, we're not going to talk about them too specifically, but this is what we want to see. We want to see the blue one, which is our longer term, higher time frame indicator at the bottom. And these are shorter momentum indicators up on top. And that's kind of the order we want to see them. So we'll see the Sandbox here. It's not above all the tridents, right? It's between the first and second. But at least it's above the first. So that's pretty important. If we take a look at Near Protocol, Near is a layer 1 platform. It's aiming to improve efficiency basically across the board, making it easier for all dApps, both developer and very user-friendly. And again, we can see this is almost exactly like the sandbox, so we're above the first trident, but we're below the second, but we're in the correct order. And the third one we're going to take a look at is Phantom. And Phantom is it's a DeFi smart contract protocol designed to improve basically transaction times between markets. So Phantom here, again, we're going to see the exact same setup. It's above the first, but below the second and third, but again in the correct order. And just to give you an example of maybe some other coins that don't look like this, and this is how the majority of the market looks, including, we can take a quick look at Ethereum here. Maybe. We can see those indicators dropping down there. Litecoin, we can see our red momentum indicators below the blue. Chainlink, same thing. So this is the majority of most coins right now are in that situation. So when we look at Near, Sandbox, and Phantom, those are ones I'm looking to respond pretty well if the market does find a little support here, maybe in the lower 30s Bitcoin range. But that's kind of what we're looking at the moment. All right, well, we appreciate you listening for some quick updates on the Telcoin, Phantom, Near Protocol, and the Sandbox. So please like and subscribe, and we will talk to you soon. This is Elephant Wisdom signing out.